Friends, so this is Chandrasekhar. So once again I am making a video on biomolecules. So in the first video I was talking about the meaning of biomolecules, then what are biomicromolecules, what are biomacromolecules. So example for micromolecules and example for macromolecules. That is what we have discussed in the first video, including the phylum of kingdom, small phylum of kingdom Hemichordata. So in this video I am going to talk about the micromolecules. So micromolecules, micromolecules, so they are the smaller sized molecules, so whose molecular weight less than 500 or otherwise 800 Dalton. So such molecules are known as micromolecules. Micromolecules means the name micro means smaller anta. Molecules means molecules, smaller molecules, smaller sized molecules anta. So their molecular weight is less than 500, otherwise less than 800 Dalton. Such they are known as micromolecules. See, what are those micromolecules? The amino acids, sugar, then fatty acids, glycerol. So these nucleic acids, these are all example for micromolecules. The first one is amino acids. First one is amino acids. So what are amino acids? Amino acids are organic acids containing both amino group and carboxyl group. That is what the definition of amino group. Clear? Amino acids are organic acids containing both amino group. Amino group means NH2. Amino group means NH2 and carboxyl group COOH. That is called what? Amino acids. They are organic acids containing both amino group as well as carboxyl group. The general formula of amino acid is NH2. As I told earlier, NH2 is a amino group. COOH. Here H and here R. So this is the general formula of the amino acids. R, NH2 amino group, COOH carboxyl group, and H hydrogen. Here there is a carbon and bond. So this is called what? A general formula of amino acids. Where R is a variable group. Where R is a variable group. Variable group means it can be changed into any atoms. Variable group of atoms. Here for example R may be H or otherwise CH3 or otherwise CH2OH ಅಂತ. ಆರ್ H ಆದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, CH3 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ CH2OH ಆದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ structural formula of different amino acids. For example, glycine, GLYCIN, glycine amino acids, alanine amino acids, ALANINE, alanine amino acids, and serine and SERINE, serine amino acids. Glycine, alanine, and serine amino acids. See, in the examination they may ask, write the formula of glycine amino acids. Otherwise write the formula of alanine amino acids. Otherwise write the formula of serine amino acids. So how to write the formula of these amino acids? For example, see, glycine, NH2 COOH, then here H and here H. See here or if you write or, then will be the general formula NH2 COOH R and H, general formula. So R is a variable group. Variable means it may change into H also. It may be changed into H. If you write H here, this will be known as glycine. GLYCINE, glycine. Or otherwise, if this H, they may change to CH3, COOH, and here NH2 and here H. This will be known as alanine. ALANINE. If it is written H, then it will be known as glycine instead of H. If you write CH2, then it will be known as alanine. Instead of CH2, if you write CH2OH, then it will be known as COH here, here NH2, here H. Then it will be known as a serine. This is the serine formula. Clear? So here the R goes on changing. R goes on changing their atoms. Here there is H. Then it is known as glycine. Here there is CH2, alanine. Here there is CH2OH, serine. So this is how to write the structural formula of amino acids, different amino acids. Clear? Amino acids are the organic acids containing amino group and as well as the carboxyl group. The general formula of amino acid is NH2C, COH, here H, here R. R is the variable group. This is about what? Amino acids. Amino acids. Next one is sugar. Next micromolecule is sugar or otherwise carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. You know their composition of sugar units. Carbohydrates means they are the composition of sugar units. So which is also known as polyhydroxaldehydes. Sugar can be divided into mono-disaccharides and oligosaccharides. You know saccharides means sugar unit. Sugar means sugar unit or otherwise carbohydrates. So these carbohydrates or the sugar can be divided into monosugar, otherwise monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. The simplest sugar are the monosaccharides. Simplest sugar is a monosaccharide. Here why it is simplest sugar? Because of single sugar unit. Mono means single. It contains single sugar unit. So that's why it is known as simplest sugar. Monosaccharides are the classified into several group. Monosaccharides are the classified into several group based on number of carbon atoms present. For example, triose, TRIOS, triose. So triose means 3 carbon atom. Their general formula is general formula of the sugar is CnH2n, CnH2O into N. This is the general formula of the sugar. General formula of the sugar is CnH2O into N. See for example here triose. Triose is a sugar. So as I told earlier, sugar can be divided into different group based on number of carbon atoms present. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಶುಗರನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಗೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲು ಟ್ರಯೋಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತ್ರೀ ಶುಗರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ C3, N ಅಂದರೆ 3, C3H2O into 3. This is the triose formula. Then second one is tetrose, TETRO is tetrose. Tetrose means 4 carbon atom. The formula is C4H2O into 4. This was tetrose. For example, erythrose. Then pentose, PENTOSE, pentose. Third one is pentose, presence of 5 carbon atom. The formula is C5H2O into 5. This is pentose sugar. Hexose, next one is hexose, HEXOS, hexose. Hexa means 6. Their formula is C6H2O into 6. This is the general formula of the hexose. Here we don't have triose, tetrose and hexose, or otherwise the next one is heptose. We have only pentose sugar. Pentose sugar, for example, ribose, RIBOS, ribose. Hexose sugar, for example, glucose, GLUCOS, glucose. Glucose is the hexose sugar, whereas ribose is the pentose sugar. Why ribose is pentose sugar? Because of 5 carbon atom. For example, glucose is 6 carbon atom. So this is known as hexose sugar anta. Hexose sugar anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ hexose sugar ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. C6H12O6 ಅಂತ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. C6H12O6 ಅಂತ. C6H12O6 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಶುಗರ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಗೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. C6 ಇದೆ, CR ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ C5 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ರೈಬೋಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2, ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೋಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ. Pentose example ribose, hexose example glucose, and fructose. Fructose is also example for hexose because of they are having 6 carbon atoms ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ like this ಅಂತ. Here H CH2OH, this is here H, here OH, here H OH, here H OH. This is what ribose, RIBOSE, ribose. This is the ribose formula. Ribose is pentose sugar. They are having 5. Glucose C6H12O6, C6H12O6. This is what glucose formula. Here there is a O, here there is a H, CH2OH, here there is H and OH, here there is H and OH, H, OH, here H and OH. This is glucose, GLUCOSE, glucose. This is ribose. Ribose is the example for pentose, whereas glucose is the example for hexose anta. So in the examination we have ribose and glucose. They may ask to write structure form of the ribose, otherwise glucose structure of the glucose anta. Clear? So this is what the sugar anta. In sugar, so you have to write like this anta. Sugar, so this is carbohydrates, so their composition of the sugar units are otherwise polyhydroxyaldehydes anta. So it can be divided into monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides. So monosaccharides is a simple sugar unit because of having a single sugar unit. So it can be classified into several group based on number of carbon atoms like triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, heptose anta. Among these, pentose and glucose are most common in biological system in our body. ಈ ಟ್ರಯೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೆಟ್ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೆಟ್ನೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ pentose and hexose sugar, they are most common sugar which are present in the body of organisms. That's why we are considering ribose as well as glucose among all the sugars. Clear? Then fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol anta. Fatty acids and glycerol, GLYCEROL, glycerol. So these are also a micromolecules because of they are also smaller sized anta. Fatty acids, they are the building blocks of the lipids anta. Fatty acids, they are the building blocks of the lipids. They are the building blocks of the lipids. Long chain of organic acid with carboxyl group at one end. Fatty acids is a long chain of organic acids with carboxyl group at one end, attached to R group or otherwise methyl group or otherwise ethyl group. For example, acetic acid. Acetic acid. This is the example for fatty acids. See, fatty acid is a long chain of organic acid with carboxyl group at one end. For example, CH3COOH. CH3COOH. This is an example for fatty acids. In the definition, what I told, it's a long chain of organic acids with carboxyl group one end. Carboxyl group on one end. Another end, it may be ethyl or otherwise methyl or otherwise R group anta. One end alli R group adirbodu, methyl adirbodu, otherwise ethyl adru irbodu. Another end alli carboxyl group. One end alli carboxyl group, another end alli either methyl, ethyl, otherwise R group anta. RCOH, CH2COH, CH3COH. ee ತರ idre that is called what fatty acids anta. So acetic acid is a simple fatty acids, CH3COH. This is the formula of acetic acid. The complex acetic acid is palmitic acid anta. Palmitic, PALMITIC TIC, palmitic acid anta. Palmitic acid example is CH3CH2 into 14 COOH. This is the example for palmitic acid anta. Clear? Simple fatty acid is acetic acid CH3COH. Another one is palmitic acid CH3CH2 14 bond COOH anta. So this is about what fatty acids anta. Then glycerol, GLYCEROL, glycerol. It consists of 3 carbon alcohol with 3 OH group anta. It consists of 3 OH group or otherwise 3 carbon alcohol. 3 carbon alcohol. All these OH groups undergo condensation with fatty acids to form a lipid anta. ಈಗ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ 3 OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 3 OH ಗ್ರೂಪು ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 3 OH ಗ್ರೂಪು ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. LIPID ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Hence the lipid form is triglyceride anta karitare. Triglyceride anta karitare. The formula of glycerol is like this anta. C 3 C irutte. Illi OH, here also OH, here also OH, here H, here H, here also H, here also H. 3 OH group. So this is formula for glycerol anta. Or otherwise so we can write like this also anta. CH3OH, CHOH, CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. So this is also the formula of the glycerols anta. So this is what glycerol formula. Glycerol and fatty acids. Fatty acids is organic acid, so which is having carboxyl group 1 and another one is methyl, otherwise ethyl group. Whereas glycerol which consists of 3 OH group with 3 carbon alcohol. So this is the formula of glycerol fatty acids. Then nucleotides anta. Nucleotides. So they are the monomers of nucleic acids. Nucleotides anta. NUCLEOTIDES. Nucleotides. They are the monomer. MONOMERS. They are the monomers of nucleic acids anta. They are the monomer of nucleic acids. A nucleotide consists of pentose sugar, phosphate group and nitrogen base anta. Nucleotides are the monomer of ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ RNA DNA ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದೇರ್ ಮಾನೋಮರ್ಸ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ NUCLEOTID ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಬೈ pentose sugar, phosphate group PHOSPH phosphate group and nitrogenous bases ಅಂತ. ಈ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂದ. ಒಂದು ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಶುಗರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನಸ್ ಬೇಸ್. So that nucleotide is equal to pentose plus phosphate group plus nitrogen base ಅಂತ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿರಿಮಿಡಿನ್. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್, PURIN, ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿರಿಮಿಡಿನ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸಸ್. ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ ಯಾವುದದು? ಅಡಿನೈನ್, ADENIN, ಅಡಿನೈನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ವಾನೈನ್, GUANINE, adenine, guanine. So they are the purines. Whereas pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine. thymine and cytosins, these are all pyrimid anta. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, so these are all nitrogen bases anta. Combination of nitrogen base and pentose sugar is called nucleoside anta. See, nucleotide is different. Nucleoside means combination of nitrogen base and pentose sugar. Nitrogen base and pentose sugar anta. ಈಗ ಪೆಂಟೋಸು, ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟು, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸು ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಟೋಸು ಮತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ and nitrogen bases. When nucleoside is linked to phosphoric and molecule, then it is called nucleotide anta. So this is what nucleotides anta. For example, we can show like this also anta. This is what base. This is base. This is sugar. This is ಎರಡು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶುಗರ್. ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಬೇಸು, ಶುಗರು, ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು, ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Nucleotide is a combination of three nitrogen bases, sugar and phosphate. Among these three, base and sugar, nucleoside. Base and sugar is nucleoside anta. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಮಾನೋಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡು. ಬೇಸು, ಶುಗರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬೇಸು, ಶುಗರು, ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಲಿಂಕ್, ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಚೈನ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೇಸು, ಶುಗರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್. ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟು, ಶುಗರು, ಬೇಸು. ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟು, ಶುಗರು, ಬೇಸು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟು, ಶುಗರು, ಬೇಸು. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಚೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ DNA ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಕಲಿ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ DNA. ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ actual chemical composition of the strand, double strand. So the single strand, this another single strand. These both strands which are linked by a base. ಅಂತ. ಅಡಿನೈನು, ಗ್ವಾನೈನು, AGCT ಅಂತ. ಅಡಿನೈನ್, ಗ್ವಾನೈನ್ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡು, ದಿಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡು. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡು ಎಲಿಕಲಿ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಅದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ DNA ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ DNA ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So nitrogen bases, there are 4 types of nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine anta. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So these are the nitrogen bases anta. Clear? So this is about what the micromolecules anta. See, clear? Micromolecules. So amino acids. In amino acid there are 3 amino acids: glycine, alanine and serine anta. So here there is a structure: glycine, alanine and structure. Then sugars, carbohydrates. So here ribose and glucose. So they are the important. Then fatty acids, glycerol. So glycerol formula is also important. Then nucleotides are the monomers of the nucleotides and nucleosides. Nucleotides, there will be 3 groups. One is phosphate, pentose sugar and nitrogen bases. So among these 3, pentose sugar and nitrogen bases, 2 are called nucleoside anta. Nucleotide ಮತ್ತು nucleoside ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಸ್ there will be 2 types: purine and pyrimidine ಅಂತ. ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್, ಎರಡು pyrimidine ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡೆನೈನ್ and guanine, they are the purine. Thymine and cytosine, they are pyrimidine anta. So both are called as nitrogen bases anta. There are 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine anta. So this is about what? Micromolecules anta. So in the next video I am going to talk about metabolites, primary and secondary metabolites. So what actual metabolites, what are the examples, let us see in the next video. So thank you very much.